Hey guys, this is a bit of a mini rant all about the Panasonic camcorder here. As in my efforts to find a way of recording from the hi-fi, I thought I'll use my 3D mic. So this is the Mitra 3D Pro, which is one of these 3D mics that generates very realistic spatial stereo. And so I'll include a clip that I recorded of the birds singing in the garden, just so you get a sense of what it's like. Obviously you would have to be listening to it on a fairly reasonable sound system on your PC or whatever. If you're listening to it on a tablet, it's unlikely you'd get the effect. Anyway, I'll include that. So I wanted to connect this directly, since it has both XLR and regular jack output. Just pop it straight in here to the mic in of the camcorder and record directly into the into here. When I plug it in, no sound whatsoever. You get like a hiss, but that's it, no sound. And so, oh, very weird. So if I plug this mic into the Canon, the camera that I'm using now, works just fine. Bizarre. If I plug this jack into the H4n as an external mic, works just fine on the H4n. So I thought, let's take this mic off of here and plug it into the H4n and see if that works. And it doesn't. When I plug this mic into the H4n, nothing, no sound at all. So that made it even more confusing. So I thought, last ditch attempt, I'll use the radio mic. And so I connect the receiver of the Sennheiser in here to the mic in of the camcorder. Connect the output of the Mitra mic into the transmitter. It works fine. So I'm totally confused, because if this mic works in here and works in the Canon, but it doesn't work over there, and that mic won't work in here. And just to complete the picture, if I take this mic and plug it into the Canon mic input, nothing, no sound at all. I'm at a loss as to what the hell's going on. But in any case, the culprit is for sure this guy. There's something weird about how this is set up, that it only wants its own microphones connecting up to it. Or at least that's the sense I get. Anyway, any thoughts on this, guys? I'd be very interested to know, to help me clear it up.